Let's take a look at the most downloaded apps of 2025 on both Play Store and on App Store combined. All right, let's get started. One, we have ChatGPT. You might be wondering, wow, ChatGPT. ChatGPT was the most downloaded app of 2025 on both Play Store and Android, according to app figures. And literally, if you take a look at the most downloaded apps, take a look at the downloads of ChatGPT on Play Store, App Store, you know that, yeah, it's true. ChatGPT has an almost 800 million downloads within few months, and it ranked one on app figures as the most downloaded app on Play Store and App Store combined. Now, what do you think is the reason why? ChatGPT, OpenAI added new features, image generation and advanced, new GPT models were also introduced. And, the free mode was even a big deal.
Real. Yeah.
So imagine buying the actual thing, like buying the subscription itself. Using ChatGPT on free mode is, mind blowing. Very nice. It can answer any kind of thing that you give it to it. So imagine buying the actual thing. That's the reason why a lot of people, fell in love with it. Yes, ChatGPT is available on Play Store and App Store, as we already know, and is the most downloaded app of 2025. And I think the app of the year belongs to ChatGPT, as is the most downloaded app of 2025. Let's take a look at another one.
Okay.
Two, we have Google Gemini. You might be wondering, is it only LLMs, large language models? They are the only people taking, control of the thing. They are winning the thing right now. Or are we only downloading AI bots alone? The thing is, AI is changing
That's true. That's true.
lives, and we are in the age of AI, so everyone has fell in love with it. That is the reason why we are all downloading it. You have Google Gemini. I have Google Gemini. You have ChatGPT. I have it. Use Meta. I use. So yeah, probably. But Google Gemini stands second as the most downloaded app of 2025 on both Android and iOS, App Store and Play Store combined. Yes, Google Gemini just introduced Nano Banana 3 and is one of the most powerful and it's competing with GPT 5.2, right? It's very great for image generation. In terms of image generation, Google Gemini is much better than ChatGPT. Yes, that's what I think, based on my experience. Let me know your thought in the comments, by the way.
Don't forget to rate us, comment, and subscribe.
Number three is Block Blast. Block Blast, it's some kind of puzzle game. It's the third most downloaded app of 2025 on Play Store and App Store combined, like Block Blast.
One eternity later.
Well, people like puzzles, but it's a puzzle game. You arrange some puzzles and you get the same colors on, you do the same column, the same row, and you win. I don't really know how it works, but yes, that's what I found on TechCrunch yesterday and also Forbes. All right. Now let's move on to the fourth one. That is Instagram. You are wondering, people still download Instagram at this point because we thought all Instagram users have downloaded it, but still people installed Instagram. On both Play Store and App Store combined, Instagram ranked fourth as the most installed application of 2025. Fourth. Yes. And I think it's the most installed social media of 2025. So I think Meta is still in the competition. For the past years, they are still leading. Facebook is not part, by the way. I don't think it will even make it to the top 10. Yes. Now the fifth one is still a Meta product. That is the WhatsApp Messenger. You might be wondering, WhatsApp Messenger is still in contention. Like, bro, people still use it. 2 billion people, and people are still downloading them.
Wait a minute.
I don't know if kids born this year downloaded it or something, but it ranked fifth as the most downloaded app of 2025 on both Play Store and App Store combined.
I repeat.
I got my information from App Figures. Yeah, they ranked all of these kind of things for the past 30 days. You check the charts, Instagram, ChatGPT, and the rest. They all rank high. So I just made a research, wrote them down, and I listed them, and I know, oh, this. So the most downloaded game on both Play Store and App Store, I mean, the most downloaded mobile game is Block Blast. That is the puzzle game. Not even, yes, EAFC or eFootball or something. I thought eFootball, but this is not even part of the top five itself of the most downloaded games on both Play Store and App Store. Yeah. Today is probably the most downloaded apps of 2025 on both Play Store and App Store, according to app figures and according to.
Mr. Who Can Code. Follow for more.
Make sure to subscribe if you like this content and comment down below. Literally, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this course. I mean, let me know what you thought about this video. It's not literally a course, by the way. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.